my name is Hattie Mendenhall.
I'm Melissa Delvesia.
And I'm Destiny Bartley.
We're all 8th graders participating in the STEM project, which you guys hosted, and we did something about Alzheimer's, so like it helps people with Alzheimer's.
It is a speaker.
It may not look like a speaker, but it's the best we can do to get it working.
What we did was we 3D printed a shell to put the speaker we were going to change into it. We ordered a speaker offline, and then we took it apart, changed the wires around, and put it inside the shell, and then made it work.
So basically what we did to make it work is we programmed it to have a like Siri voice. You can program it to have any voice, sound, however, male, female, you can program it to have whatever you want. This is the charger.
Right.
So basically you would have to charge it first, obviously, and there's a suction thing so you can stick it to like a table or something to keep it from falling over. And basically, so what you would do is you would press this, there's a power button here, so you would press the power button, and then you could ask it any question. So, Alyssa, why don't you ask it a question?
Hey Siri, what day is it? What time is it?
I'm more of the answering type.
And as you can see, it definitely has some qualities of Siri.
Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 1:44 p.m.
See, so it does work.
Like, since it is Bluetooth connected, if you have an iPhone, it's gonna act like Siri.
Yeah.
So,
You can really ask it any question as long as it's a question. As you can tell, it's an answering type. So,
and like,
What you do to turn on the Bluetooth and make it speak is you push the...
it's
Let me get it off
stuck.
the table.
no, let go. Okay, so what you would do,
Push the Bluetooth button. It's a
yes,
speaker.
it looks like a cell phone. So you press the Bluetooth, and the whole thing would work.
There's a volume up and down.
It's pretty much, you can still use it as a speaker, you can use it for anything. It's just kind of a pimped up version, and it can program it for anything.
And like it helps people with forgetful things, like especially people with Alzheimer's, since they won't remember their appointments. Like their nurse or doctor can schedule it into their phone, and then if they forget, let's just say, they can press the button and
Press
say,
the power button.
and be like, "Hey Siri, what appointments do I have today?"
You have a couple of appointments for today.
And then it tells them like they have appointments.